Hey folks, welcome to the rate update with Dan Frio. I, of course, am Dan Frio. We're going to start a little bit of a new format starting today. It's going to be the opening bell with Dan Frio. I'm going to go over where rates are, where the MBS rate more charts are, and why. And then later in the afternoon, I'm going to do the educational video or send you an alert of what's going on that might be affecting the market. So let's get to it. I'm going to even stop the intro because we're wasting time. So where are we today? So let's get into this area here. So what we want to talk about right now is this cell right here for the newbies out there, so you know what's going on. So let's zoom in on this cell. Let's explain it. Right now, kudos to some of my followers because they're like, we're going to be at 4.2 by the end of the month, and we are there. I predicted that as well. So let's right in here, we're going to see the 30-year rates came out this morning from Mortgage News Daily, and this is the national average. So I want you guys to know this is the national average, not mine. What we do is we scan your loans to over 130 lenders in the market to find you the best rates and terms for your specific needs. So let's get to it. How do you explain this cell right here? Well, it says the mortgage rates opened on the 30-year fix this morning at 4.19. That is up 7 basis points, a big move from the day before. It's still coming with 0.4 in points. Okay, that's a big that's a big feature there that I want you guys to understand. So there's a cost to get this rate right here. Okay, how you calculate this? Well, you take your loan amount, multiply it by 0.4, and then hit the percent sign. That's how much it would cost you to get this rate right now. Okay, again, these aren't my rates, these are the national averages. It gives you the 52-week high and low rate here. We're at 278 and 419. You can see we just hit the 52-week high. Okay, so that's how you explain this cell. So let's zoom out. All right, and we'll go through the rest of this stuff. The 15 years coming in 3.44. It is up also 7 basis points to a 52-week high of 3.44, coming with points of 0.4. So you're looking at least 3.5 on the 15-year without any fees, and probably 4.25 without any fees on the 30-year. We scroll over to the FHA 3.75. It is up 7 basis points, no points. 52-week high. 30-year jumbos 3.63, up 3 basis points, hitting a 52-week high. See the trends here, guys? Okay, and then we have the 5-year ARM is at 3.71, up 2 basis points, but again, down in this area, it's coming in with a 0.5 point. But you can see though, the spread right now between this and this is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, so that's what we see. Right here, we're seeing the MBS trend for the day is positive. It's saying right now the MBS market is up 34. So let's double check that to make sure it's accurate. We go to this and it's not accurate. So you can see there's lags in some of the systems, but we're going to go to the live version here in a minute. So let's refresh this. We're at 0.25. You might see this move as I'm doing the video. So the MBS market, this is what's going on. How does this work? Well, we follow this right here. When this number is green, means rates are coming down. Or if it's black. If this number is red, it means rates are going up. The bigger the number, the bigger the move. Okay, so that's what's going on right there. My live report is right here. So let me jump me back into the equation. So this is basically what I use personally. You can't see it, but this is saying we're up 25 right here. So this is live. This is what I personally use. All right, so we got some new features on the website. I highly suggest you go here because we add and add and add to it on a daily basis. If you go through the website, if you're a realtor out there looking to get set up with our referral program, because we have clients all over the country that come in, call in daily, and they're like, Dan, we need pre-approved, and we need a realtor, and we need an attorney. So the only way for us to find out about you and the areas you serve is by applying. So you're going to go to the inquiry form, hit the realtor tab, fill it out. We're going to log you in our system. So if we get any people in your area that are in need of a realtor, we're going to make sure we send it to you. Let's go through here. If you're a mortgage advisor, same thing. There's a lot of companies that are getting rid or closing down some areas of their business. Home Depot yesterday, or the Home Loan Depot or something like that. They just had massive layoffs the other day, and that's going to be the trend. There's going to be a lot of people out of work. So if you're a real retail loan officer looking for maybe an opportunity, go in here, fill out the equation. You might be a good fit for the Frio team. You might be a good fit for Nexa Mortgage. You know, I'll call you and we'll discuss it. Other areas, go down through there. We got some really exciting stuff that we've been adding to the site. This is taking off huge. We probably got about 50 people applying to this a day. What this is it's a home evaluator. You go in and put your address in. It's free. I don't sell the data. All it's going to do is tell you the value of your house. But if you unlock the features by putting in your email address, again, I don't sell it. We're just going to send you our monthly newsletter, maybe a holiday letter. That's it. We won't call you. We won't do anything else, but it's going to unlock a ton of features for you. Any liens on your property, when they were taken out. You might find liens that are on there that you didn't know about. Your opportunities in refinancing, if there is one in today's market. If you were to rent the house, how much could you get in rent? If the house, you wanted to sell the house, how much could you really get if you wanted to sell it? Other features we were added yesterday. We have a live report telling you the news. Okay, this is going to give you where rates are. Basically, it's a feed from what we just went over, and it's going to give you not only rates, the MBS and the MBS market, what's going on there. Okay, so that's that part of it. Another exciting feature is if you scroll down a little bit more, there's a scrolling tab here. Well, that's my newsletter. So you can click that, it'll open up and give you my most recent newsletter. So that is it for today. So thank you for watching the morning update with Dan Frio, the opening bell. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell every time I post a video, you get an alert. If you're in need of a mortgage, please reach out to us. We'd love to help. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.